चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके घंटी जरूर दबा लीजिए और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, नहीं पसंद आए तो डिसलाइक कीजिए।
जय हिंद दोस्तों, माय नेम इज हरिओम एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अमासमेंट। टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बेस्ट शेयर टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर ग्रेट रिटर्न्स नेक्स्ट टू 3 to 5 years for our future wealth generation program. Before I start, if you not open yet your Demat account, then go to the video's description and open in Upstocks. It's free of cost. Let's talk about first stock. Our first stock is Computer Age Management Services (CAMS). Let's look to the company past performance. 4-year performance. In 2017, company profit is 107 crore. It increased in 2018 145 crore, and in 19 130 crore, and 2020 173 crore. Let's talk about stock analysis. Computer Age Management Services (CAMS) is India's largest register and transfer agent (RTA) of mutual funds with 70% market share of MF AUM. It is a play on structurally growing Indian MF industry. CAMS provide a comprehensive portfolio of technology-based services such as transaction originations, interface, executions, payment, settlement, record keeping, commissions, computations, and compliance-related services. CAMS is also engaged in RTA services to alternative investment funds. AIFS acts as an insurance repository, account and payment aggregator, and CRA for NPS. Great Terrain, an affiliate of Warburg Pincus, is the current promoter of CAMS with 31% stake, while others Mercury shareholders include HDFC Bank 3.33 stake and HDFC Ltd 5.99% stake. It has near monopoly as RTA in growing Indian AMC sector. Under penetration and increasing financializations are expected to drive MF AUM, which is anticipated to grow at 12 to 15% CAGR in FY21-25. Leadership in RTA business with 70% share in a duopoly market with high entry barriers puts CAMS in a uniquely advantageous position. Technology expertise, clients integrations and relations act as a moat, making CAMS as a play on the Indian MF industry. Focus on technology, long-standing client relationships, and development of proprietary application will drive growth in core business. New products like insurance registry, RTA for AIFs, account management, CRA for NPS are at the nascent stage with a potential to drive future earnings. CAMS posted healthy growth in revenue, EBITDA at 30%, 16% CAGR respectively in a 15-20, while operating efficiency lead to higher ROE at 30%. Reassurances of MF flow digestion cost realizations with drive earning at 13.4 CAGR in FY 21-23 with ROE improving to 38%. CAMS is a structural growth story with the opportunity to participate in relatively under-penetrated and high-potential Indian asset management market. It is a proxy to the growing mutual fund industry with high ROE. Technological expertise, long-standing client relations, and leadership in a duopoly RTA market with the entry barrier remaining key business strengths. Overall, the stock looks great for an investment and can turn out to be a great compounder in a long term. Look at the chart of this company. 5 years average growth is 60%, and in my opinion, this company have potential to growth day by day. The second stock is Capit Technologies. Let's talk about stock performances. Last 1 month 18.4%, 3 month 63.55, and last 1 year, look at the last 1 year 346% return, and that is huge. Let's talk about stock analysis. Capit Technologies Limited was incorporated in the year 2018. This firm is a small cap company having a market cap of 5,750 crore. The company is operating in IT software sector. Capit is a global technology company with a software solution that will help mobility leapfrog towards autonomous, clean, smart, and connected future. with 6,000 automobile dealers across the globe specializing in embedded software, AI, and digital solution. Capit enable customers accelerate implementation of next generation mobility technologies. The company has been earning about 41% of the revenues of USA, followed by Europe 39% and rest of the world 20%. Germany has been the growth engine of company. It is the epicenter for the future technologies of mobility. The company has been investing heavily in Germany for last 3 years. Asia, led by Japan, is another solid growth area for the company. Capit has a stabilized base client base with BMW, Eaton, other global OEMs to which offers multiple services. Since it offers services to global OEM, its top 17 clients accounts for 84 of its total revenues. The company is a technological intensive company, so research and development is one of the most important aspects of the same. It has developed a cloud-based test automation testing platform for end-to-end integrated system testing. The tool has been used across large programs by OEMs. It has filed for various patents for its research, 40% still yet, and has been granted 6 patent out of them. For the quarter ended 31/3/21, the company has reported a consolidated total income of Rs 546 crore, up 4.33 crore from last quarter total income of 523 crore and down 3.87 from last year same quarter total income Rs 568 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of Rs 47 crore in latest quarter. Company has a low debt to equity ratio at 0.50 times, positive result in March 21. Healthy long-term growth as net sales has grown by an annual rate of 78.20 and operating profit at 54.49%. Stock is technically in a bullish range with ROE of 11.4. It has an attractive valuation with 2.3 price to book value. Multiple factors for the stock are bullish like a MACD, Bollinger Band, KST, DOW and OBV. Let's look at the 5 years back. Look at the chart. 130% return of 5 years, and it continuously growing company, and in my opinion this company rank in few years in future, so you can take it in your portfolio. The third stock is Solara Active Pharma Sciences Limited. Let's look at the past 4 years company profit and revenue. So the company profit is increases into 19 0.06 thousand crores, in 2020 0.11 thousand crores, and 2021 0.22 thousand crores. Let's talk about stock analysis. Solara Active Pharma Sciences Limited, incorporated in year 2017, is a small cap company having a market cap of 6,092 crores, operating in pharmaceutical sector. Solara has built a strong enduring platform that consists of 2 essential pieces: the outside in and the inside out. In outside in, Solara global presence, long-standing customer relationships, breadth of product portfolio has a ability to connect the dots sooner and get first mover advantage from product with customers. Backed up by robust manufacturing infrastructure, diverse assets in manufacturing sites, and world-class quality system underpinned by very strong scientific capabilities provide that inside out part of this platform. Believe in multiple growth engines like a new filling 1820 in the regulated and non-regulated market. CRAMS business with provide further impetus for growth. Ramp up of maximum capacity utilizations at Vegas at end of FY22. Solara has increased the speed of new product fielding. The company has filled 5 US DMS and 2 EU DMS in last 9 months, which are already higher than the last year FY20. Solara speed of filling market extension is also been quite strong and have filled 16 market extension across 13 different markets in last 9 months. Solara offers contract development and manufacturing services that accounts for 10% of total revenue pie. Solara has earmarked fund raised through equity subscription from promoters INR 260 crores and the TPG Group INR 200 crore for inorganic acquisitions. Solara expects to win some new business in FY21E based on new bids for new proposals. Believe CRAMS business could generate 330 crore revenue in FY23E from INR 135 crore in FY20. Good stock for long-term compounding. Let's look in the chart. 583% growth in past 5 years. So, in my opinion, this stock has potential to grow high year by year. I believe this stock can be in future very good wealth generator. Today I am sharing with you 3 stocks. If you like the analytics of the stocks, please do like the video and subscribe the channel if you not subscribed yet, and take care of yourself and happy investing and goodbye.